Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to you? Okay, Nana. Thank you for your response. Good morning, everyone. And today our first class in second BTech first sem. And I first I wish you all the best. Okay. Next, coming to our subject, I think I'm already known for you. Yes or no? Or I'm new for you? Hmm. Right. So you're all known person. I'm a known person to you all. So first I'm taking the subject software engineering in second BTech first in Nana. So my name is K Rajeshwari, as you all know. And okay coming to syllabus of our first unit syllabus, software engineering and process models. Okay, software engineering process models. Do you know what is meant by software? First, as we are from CSC, we know that what is software, is it or not? How we are interacting now through software, is it or not? Zoom is software or not? Yes. So before going to that, what is software and what is software engineering, and what is first for what is the nature of the software? What is the nature of the software will come will undergo in certain slides. And next, what is the unique nature of web apps? You know what is meant by web apps, is it or not? Yes. Still we will discuss in this first unit. Do you know also we will discuss. And next, software engineering. Software is different from software engineering, Nana. That is also we can discuss in further classes. What is meant by software process? Yes, how the process will be. And engineering practice, how to practice the software engineering modules. And what are the software myths? Software myths in the sense, what are the rules, is it or not? Software myths. And next, process models. What are the process models? Means if you're uh, developing certain software, what are the models we have to follow? Means different models will give the different patterns. Okay. So how అంటే ఎలా ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తాము అనేది ఈ మోడల్స్ లో మనకి తెలుస్తుంది అనమాట. ఒకటి ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, హౌ దిస్ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ అనదర్ గూగుల్ మీటింగ్, ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ we have. So like that, in the same way, different models we are following. That models, what are the generic process models, and the process assignment and improvement, how we are assisting and how we are improving that processes. And next, prescriptive process models, means how to, there also we have different models will come under. Okay, these are specialized process models. What is unified process? And personal and team process model. If you are one person, which model you have to follow? And if you are having a team, which process model you have to follow? That is also will be there in this personal and team process models. And what is process terminology? And process terminology in the sense, which terminology we have to follow while doing a software process. And what is meant by product and what is meant by process. This all we will discuss in this unit 1. All of you clear, Nana, up to syllabus? Okay. Can you give response from the chat box? Are you all clear for syllabus? Yes. With your response I can. Okay. Okay, Nana. Okay, thank you so much. And next, we'll go for the first concept of our software. That is, what is nature of software? Before going to the software, can we discuss the important things of a software? Okay. And coming to first what is meant by software? coming to what is meant by software, uh, as we all know, is a set of instructions. Okay, now already we deal with the C language, is it or not? C language, if you want to do the programming, which software we are using? Okay, like Windows Turbo C. For your systems, you are using PuTTY, is it or not? Is a different patterns you are following. Software is nothing but if you want to do something, okay, for your task to be completed, we are doing the we are developing the software, is it or not? To make our task easy, software is supporting much more. Yes, yes, obviously, because software will support this generation is very effectively. Yes or no? Without software, we are not running now. Through this Zoom software, we are interacting. We are able to interact each other. Is it or not? You can without personal meeting, we are meeting with online. How it is possible? Through this software. So software playing a, a trending zone, is it or not? Yes. So first, before going to the software, what is software crisis? Okay, software crisis is nothing but we don't have much time. Okay, we don't have much time, so we have to do a large task. Means we have to develop a big task but within a less time. Is it possible? And is that code is efficient and give the right solutions? No, not at all. Is it or not? So if you are not efficient and you are not able to give the efficient and more perform uh, give more performance, okay, and effective code within the less time. Yes or no? What is software crisis now? Software is not to the limit which you need, is it or not? So that is nothing but a software crisis, means we are not able to give the efficient results. Okay, that is the software crisis. So what is the solution for the software crisis? Okay, what is the solution? So ma'am, you are saying that software crisis are more in this is the software crisis, but what is the solution for the software crisis? We have to know the software crisis, is it or not? So what is the first solution for this software crisis is to introduce the systematic software engineering practices. Means, Nana, if you don't give us such a time, okay, now we are able to meet at 10 o'clock. మనం 10కి 10 నుంచి 10:40 వరకు క్లాస్ అని చెప్పి మనం ఒక సిస్టమాటిక్ వ్యూలో మనం జూమ్ మీటింగ్ అరేంజ్ చేసుకుందాం. So not at all. If I didn't give a time, okay, no systematic time, and when the class will be, you don't know. Then how you will be connected to me? Is it a right path? No. Is it or not? So, if you have a software crisis, we should follow a systematic software engineering practices for systematic software development, maintenance, operation, retirement, planning, and management of software. So now, what is systematic software development? Okay, what is systematic software development? First, if you have an idea, what you'll do? First, we think, analyze that idea. We will plan for that idea. Yes or no? Okay, you're want to develop a software. What you'll do? First, we will analyze what is what and what to do and what should be. Is it or not? So first we'll plan that, and after that, what you'll do? We will, according to the planning, we will design. Yes, design in the sense, or else you take the example like construction. If you want to construct a house, first you need to plan where ఎప్పుడు మనం పూజ చేయాలి, ఓకేనా, స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, శంకుస్థాపన ఎప్పుడు చేయాలని ముందు ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, ఎలా ఉండాలి, హౌస్ ఎలా ఉండాలి. Okay, if you are willing to plan for the 2 bedrooms, 1 hall or one kitchen like this, or else 2 floors, Like this, we should plan for the house to be built. And afterwards, what you'll do? You design. Okay. How you'll design is a blueprint. Here, from this square feet to this square feet, I need to have a bedroom. This square feet to square feet, I need to have a hall, kitchen. Like this you will plan. How you this plan will be? The designer will, that is you, if you go for a house constructor, it will they will plan for the, what happened? Raise your hand up. What happened, Nana? Any doubts? You can post it from the chat box. Any doubts? Let me complete this concept, Nana. Afterwards, you can raise your doubts. Okay? Right? Okay. Next. So, what you will do? And according to that, you will plan it. The constructor will construct that. Yes, according to the design, means blueprint. Is it or not? Blueprint. After that, what you'll do? According to the blueprint, you will try to construct the house with the bricks or all those. And after that, you will ready with the house. After that, you have to maintain. Yes, how to operate that house, means how to give the electric power, all those plan operations, how to, this house has to be respond. Is it or not? Without power, is the house is a fulfilled one? No. Yes, we have to plan for ceiling, all those we have to plan. Is it or not? That is the operation, how it is operated in a house. Next, how you manage that. Yes, you are managing the electricity bill. Yes. Next, how to, when the fluctuations come, how to control that. These are all management. Is it or not? In the same way, if you are developing a software, we should follow a systematic software development. Systematic in the sense, if you want to develop a software, we need to plan. Okay, according to the software development process, we have to develop the software. How? First planning, next design, okay, next coding, next testing, next maintenance, sorry, first implementation, next maintenance. This is the systematic software development process that you have. So while you're developing a software in the systematic pattern, you can avoid the software crisis. Most of the software crisis will not be seen if you are planning for the software development process in a certain way. Okay. Next, what is the system? If you are, I'm saying that a systematic. What is systematic here? Is nothing but methodological and pragmatic way. Is it or not? Already we explained. What is that? If you want to construct a house, how we are following the methods. Is it or not? First, we need to plan. After that, we need to design. Is it or not? After that, what we want to do, Nana? After that, we have to build a house according to the house building of house. But according to the software, what I said, first we need to plan. After that, we need to design. After that, coding. Next, testing. Next, implementation. Next, maintenance. Is it or not? Is a methodological form or not? Yes. So that is the systematic way. That is the second point. Okay. Next, what is the systematic development of software helps to understand the problems and satisfy the client's needs. If you follow this systematic way, what the customer want that software to be can build easily. Yes or no? If you are following systematic way, if you occurred any errors, so that we can easily identify that errors. Yes or? Yes, it is possible, because where the error occurs, we can easily recognize and we can easily rectify, and also we can easily satisfy the clients. Yes, that is the thing. Next, what is software? Now up to now, what is software crisis we gone through? What is software crisis, Nana? Software crisis is nothing but if you are within the less time, we cannot do the efficient programming. That is nothing but a software crisis. So how we are giving a solution for this software crisis? Through following the systematic process and also through systematic process development. Is it or not? Yes, this is the solution for the systematic crisis. Next, what is mean by software? As we all know, because of our, we are from CSC, what is software, Nana? Is nothing but a set of instructions. Yes or no? We have a set of instructions. If you have a software, how many instructions we are giving, Nana? You are, if you are doing a addition of two numbers, it's an addition of a two numbers is a small task. For that small task also, if you are doing a C programming, we are having a 289 lines to be executed. Yes or not? 252 or 303 lines to be executed. But we will write the program only at 6 to 7 lines. But while you are compiling, you can see that 289 or 303 lines to be compiled, because the inner functions, yes or no, like printf, input output functions also be compiled. Means how many instructions are executing here? A number of instructions for the small task. If you're giving a certain software, then how many instructions it follow? It may have a thousands or millions and trillions of instructions. Yes or no? If a task is big, our instructions is big. But according to us, how to do the efficient programming is to have a less number of lines. We should have a less number of lines. Okay, so that it should give a efficient programming result also. Yes or no? Without giving a efficient results, if you write a 2 lines or 10 lines, it is nothing here. So while writing an instruction, it must satisfy the needs. Yes, so a software is nothing but a set of instructions. So when executed, it provides desired features, functions, and performance. I said that what is the performance? None within the less time, the program to be executed and should give the efficient results. Yes, as an example, already we have taken, if you are performing the addition of two numbers, okay, is our task. Just think that it is a small task, it's not a software, Nana. Just it is a program. Okay, it's not a software, it is a program. But we are talking about the software. But just example, we are taking a program called as addition of two numbers. If you are taking addition of two numbers, what we'll do, Nana? We'll write hash include studio.h, conio.h, main, okay, taking the variables from compile time or run time, and we are performing the addition and we are displaying the result. Yes, while you are writing the instructions, it should contain less number of lines. Okay, when this program is compiled and executed, it should give the desired futures. Means what is the desired futures here? It should perform the addition. What is its function? It should give the addition of two numbers. What it is performance? Within the less time, we should see the output on the screen. Yes? Yes or no? In the same way, if you are developing a software, it should contain the less number of instructions and must, when executed, it should give the desired features, functions, and performance. Understood? What is meant by software? Yes? Yes, Nana? Can you respond from the chat box? You all understood what is a software? Yes? I'm not able to see the responses from you. Yes? No one? So you're not listening? Huh? Once again, tell me, ma'am. Okay. Once again, I'm telling that what is software. Okay, software is nothing but now ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అమ్మా మీరు ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ని డెవలప్ చేయాలి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ డెవలపింగ్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ డెవలపింగ్ మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి మీకు జూమ్ యాప్ అని ఓకే బైజూస్ అని లైక్ దిస్ ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఈజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్ సో ఆ అప్లికేషన్స్ని మీరు డెవలప్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం చూస్తున్నదంతా ఈజీ కాదమ్మా దాని వెనకాల ఎంతో కోడింగ్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో ఈజ్ ఎ అప్లికేషన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సో ఆ అప్లికేషన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్ చేయడానికి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ రాసుంటారు వెనకాల. సో మీరు గూగులే తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఏ గూగుల్, మన గూగుల్ మనం పైకి చూసేదంటే ఈజీ కాదు. రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఇచ్చేస్తే మన కోడ్ని మనం ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో అన్ని లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ ఉంటాయి. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటే ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు? ఈజ్ ఏ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఓకే, సో ప్రొవైడ్ డిజైర్డ్ ఫ్యూచర్స్, మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫ్యూచర్స్ ని మన ఇస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ ప్రొవైడ్ ఎ సర్టెన్ ఫంక్షన్. దేనికోసం మనం ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ని డెవలప్ చేసామో ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ని కంపల్సరీ అది అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వాలి. అండ్ ఆల్సో పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? మనకి చూడండి నాన్న, ఓపెన్ చేయగానే ఇట్ టేక్స్ టైం. ఒకవేళ టైం తీసుకుంది అనుకోండి, ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మనం ఒకటి అడిగితే ఒకటి ఇచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఈజ్ అ ఫంక్షన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ అండ్ గివ్ ద కరెక్ట్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్? నో. Is it or not? While you are developing a certain software, we should, when it is executed, it should provide our futures, functions, and performance. All of you clear what is software now? Okay. Next, what are data structures? Oh my God. What are data structures? What is data structures, Nana? Data structures ante మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఇన్పుట్ డేటాని ఆ డేటా ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది కంప్యూటర్? ఎస్, కంప్యూటర్లో ఆ డేటాని ఎలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది అంటే డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ నాన్న. యాజ్ యూ ఆల్ నో వాట్ ఆర్ ద డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్? బికాస్ స్టాక్, క్యూ, ఓకే, లింక్డ్ లిస్ట్, ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. According to that, if it is, some will follow the stack, some will follow the queue, some will follow the linked list formats, data structures. Okay, that will come under DS. Okay. Next, descriptive information in both hard copy and virtual form that describes the operation and use of program. మీరు ఏదైనా డెవలప్ చేశారు అంటే అది ఫర్దర్ డెవలప్మెంట్కి ఉపయోగపడాలమ్మా. సో ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఏ సర్టెన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్, మనం హార్డ్ కాపీ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ మనం దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటాం. డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఈజ్ ద హార్డ్ కాపీ. మీరు ఏదైనా మినీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్కి డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఇస్తారు. అంటే ఏంటి? రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి, ఎలా ప్లాన్ చేశారు, ఓకే, ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీకు సపోర్ట్ చేసింది, అన్నిటిని మీరు డాక్యుమెంట్ చేస్తారు. ఒకవేళ మీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్లో ఏమైనా డ్రాబ్యాక్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, దెన్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ అన్న, ద upcoming who is taking a responsibility of that project will take the considerations all these from the documentation and will be forwarded and can be processed easily, and you can get a new version very effectively. Understood now what I said? అంటే ఏంటి? మీరు చేసినది డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ చేయడం వల్ల కొత్త వాళ్ళు మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ని ఇంకా డెవలప్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఆ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ చూస్తే ఈజీగా డెవలప్ చేయగలరు. ఓకేనా? నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు మేడం నా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని వేరే వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేయడం అనడానికి లేదు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్, వీ క్యాన్ డెవలప్, వీ క్యాన్ షో. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఓపెన్ సోర్స్. వీ క్యాన్ ఓపెన్ సోర్స్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఈజీలీ వీ క్యాన్ గెట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్. ఎస్, ఉన్నదాన్ని మనం దాన్ని మోడిఫై చేసి డెవలప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నాన్న. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఈజ్ వెరీ efficient one and also trending one in now generations nana. So as we all know, ఇంత డెప్త్ గా చెప్పాను. if you want to have any if you have any doubts, just post it from the chat box. Yes, up to this concept, what is software crisis and what is meant by software, we discussed. Is it or not? Up to now, if you have any doubts, just raise your just put it on the chat box. Yes, any doubts? Yes, put it from the chat box. Nana, are you all audible? Yes, or else are you feeling sleepy? Don't raise your hands, Nana, just put it from the chat box. Yes, any doubts? If you have any doubts, just post it from chat box, Nana. Yes, 593 was your doubt, Nana? Yes, clear? Okay, right. Still more? Only one response? Or remaining oral, not listening the class? Is software consist whole DS instructions? Whole DS instructions. What whole DS instructions? DS is nothing but Nana data structure. Software is different from DS, Nana. Okay, data structure. What you are giving the data, the system to be follow that మీరు ఇచ్చిన డేటాని ఎలా స్టోర్ చేయాలనేది డిఎస్ చూసుకుంటుంది అన్న. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ అంటే అది వేరు. ఓకేనా? సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ హోల్ డిఎస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అంటే మీరు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ద్వారా ఇచ్చిన డేటాని ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేయాలనేది డిఎస్ చూసుకుంటుంది. ఓకేనా? డిఎస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఏమి ఇవ్వదు నన్ను. ఎస్, డిఎస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ డేటా. ఓకే, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కనెక్ట్స్ టు డేటా, డేటాని కనెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, కానీ డిఎస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అనేవి హోల్ డిఎస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అనేవి మాత్రం పాసిబుల్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్, డేటాని ప్రాసెస్ చేయడానికే మనం డిఎస్ యూస్ చేస్తాం నాన్న. ఓకేనా? అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కూడా కన్సిస్ట్ అవుతుంది, బట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ టు హోల్. ఓకే, క్లియర్? నాగేంద్ర, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అబౌట్ దట్ పాయింట్? Yes, ma'am. I didn't mean DS instructions. DS and instructions are discovered. I didn't mean DS instructions. It's DS and instructions and discovered. Yes, yes, Nana. Software consists of a set of instructions. Okay, and also it should consist of data structures, which data is inner part, Nana. That is the inner part. And what is descriptive in the sense? If you descriptive will not seen on a this that is on your software, but it has to have documentation. Okay, yes, data structures it consists, Nana, to manipulate the data. So DS having a stack, queue and linked list, it won't follow all the patterns, Nana. Which data structure is suit for the certain software, it will take, that's all. Okay, and descriptive information is nothing but hot copy, that is nothing but documentation of what I said. Okay, Nagendra, now you understood? DS instructions will not be there. Okay, simple meaning software is nothing, simple meaning for the software is nothing but a set of instructions to execute a certain to perform a certain task. Okay, software is nothing but it is a set of instructions to perform a certain task. Okay, okay. Still more doubts? Anyone? సింపుల్ నాన్న. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్రైసిస్ నుంచి మనం ఓవర్కమ్ అవ్వడానికి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సిస్టమాటిక్ ప్రాసెస్లో మనం చెయ్యాలి. ఇట్స్ సింపుల్ థింగ్ మీనింగ్ విచ్ వి డిస్కస్డ్. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇంకా టైం ఉందా? స్టిల్ మోర్ టైమ్ ఇస్ దేర్, స్టిల్ 1 minute టైమ్ ఇస్ దేర్. Yes, tomorrow we will discuss, Nana, what is mean by software application domains. Okay, what is the unique nature of web apps? All these we'll discuss in the next class. For this class, you come to know what is meant by software and what is meant by software crisis. So now can you give a simple softwares means we have two types of softwares already we know. System, that is system software and application software. What is system software, Nana? System software is nothing but, now you have a CPU. If that CPU to perform effectively, the some software has to be supported. That is system software, device drivers, okay, RAM, all those to be supported, we have to have system softwares. And next, application software is nothing but, like examples, railway reservation system app, okay, like air ticket reservation, and apps, as we all know, apps like Byju's, Zomato, all these will come under application software. Okay, well, how many types of softwares we have? Two types of softwares. Okay, system software, application software. Understood now? All of you clear? The meeting will be ended, Nana. Tomorrow we'll discuss still more points about this. Okay, I think from tomorrow I want the more participants to follow remaining. I don't know why less, only 80